What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Budget Breaks, where today we're looking at a box of 2017 2018 Donruss Optic exclusive fast break rated rookies signatures. One auto per box on average, 8 exclusive fast break inserts or parallels. This box qualifies because I got this for like 30 bucks. So for Donruss Optic, that is a pretty good price for, I have no idea if it is retail or if it is hobby or not. I'm going to imagine at this price it is probably retail, but either way, I just love the Optic cards in all sports. Well, not baseball so much because it just looks weird. They look weird without player logos or anything like that. But for football and basketball, Optic is just such a gorgeous card that I really love just breaking into them, just to see them, just to feel them. I have a feeling that you're probably going to receive the reflection of my face in these cards. So let's go ahead, get in there, and get started. I am excited about this, as Optic is definitely one of my favorite products. Granted, I have only been back collecting since around the end of last year, so this is all kind of new to me. So there may be a lot that I do not know. But, I mean, I know Prism definitely has a similar look to Optic, but I still prefer Optic to Prism. So we've got, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 packs, 5 cards per pack. Let's see what we have. All right, starting off, George Hill. And yes, you most definitely can see my face in these cards if you look closely enough. A rated rookie of TJ Leaf. A rated rookie of Sindarius Thornwell. Obviously, this card looks a little bit different. Got the little circles and such in the background. Prism, it appears, is what they are calling these. So, a Prism rated rookie of Sindarius Thornwell. A Kevin Durant base card. And Ersan Ilyasova. All right. Alec Burks. Markelle Fultz rated rookie. Crazy to think about how excited I would have been for that not all that long ago, but not quite the same as it used to be at one point. All clear for takeoff, Kevin Durant. Cool insert there. A Eric Gordon and D'Angelo Russell. Nikola Vucevic. A Prism All-Stars of John Wall. Okay, yep, Prism. It says it right up there. That's a cool looking card. The champ is here, Sean Marion. 2010. Okay, I was going to say, that was the Mavericks had certainly not won the title in quite a while. So that's a 2010-2011 champ we're looking at. Blake Griffin and Chris Dunn. Elfrid Payton. Oh, that's a Gershon Yabusele. I am completely unfamiliar with this gentleman. Yep, never heard of him. Not familiar with him, but he's got a rated rookie. A Tyler Ulis Prism card. Dirk and Anthony Davis. Kawhi Leonard. A all clear for takeoff Prism if you look at that, kind of looks like Vader's helmet. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but it's the first thing I saw when I looked at it. Larry Nance, all clear for takeoff prism card. A All-Stars of DeAndre Jordan, Klay Thompson, and Al Horford. There's a Jawan Evans rated rookie, former Oklahoma State Cowboy. Well, I think I kind of spoiled that, but we'll go back. Jeremy Lamb, prism card. That one is numbered to 155. Justice Winslow, J.J. Barea, and then I think everyone's already seen it, but there is a Frank Ntilikina prism autograph for the New York Knicks. Not a bad auto to get. Ntilikina, verdict's still out on him, but not a terrible player, so that is a card that I am totally okay with. I mean, let's be honest, I'd be totally okay with most autographs, but better to get one of a guy that you think might have an okay NBA career. There is OG Anunoby, rated rookie card. JJ Redick, a Justin Jackson rated rookie prism. Lou Williams and Bobby Portis. Man, it's crazy. I recently busted open a couple of boxes of 15-16 Donruss and was incredibly underwhelmed just at their appearance in general. And then you look at any Optic, and they just look so good. It kind of blows your mind. Pau Gasol, Ante Zizic, first round pick. Don't know much about that guy. A Drew Holiday prism. Thaddeus Young, and Nicholas Batum. Tyler Dorsey, rated rookie card. Serge Ibaka, a D'Angelo Russell prism card. Hassan Whiteside, and Nikola Jokic. There's Robert Covington, a Kyle Lowry, Wishful Thinking, Gordon Hayward All-Stars. You can really see me in that one. Check out the hair, looking good. Ben McLemore, and Harrison Barnes. Yeah, there's something beautiful about a trading card that can also double as a mirror. There's not a lot of other products in the world that can offer such dual opportunity. There's Harry Giles, rated rookie. A retro series of Norm Nixon, followed by a retro series of Alonzo Mourning. Kind of neat. Let's take a look at the back of the Nixon. Got the pink and blue there. Pink and blue on Mourning as well. Rajon Rondo and Chris Paul. Somebody giving Chris Paul bunny ears. Rudy Gay of the Spurs. Got a John Collins rated rookie. I have a orange prism of Damari Carroll. That one numbered to 193. It's an interesting choice. Damari Carroll orange prism. Zach LaVine and Dion Waiters. Joel Embiid. A Dwayne Bacon rated rookie. A Brooke Lopez Prism. Gary Harris. And Drew Holiday. Eric Bledsoe. Milos Teodosic, rated rookie card. A Steph Curry, Swishful Thinking. Those look like. Goran Dragic and Wesley Matthews. Zach Randolph. Jarrett Allen, rated rookie. A John Collins Prism, rated rookie. Jeff Teague and Draymond Green. DeMar DeRozan. Hey, Terrence Ferguson. I actually got this. I have the auto of this card base, and then I have the Prism auto as well that I've been able to pull from a couple of these boxes I opened before I started to start videoing it. Carmelo Anthony All-Stars, Michael Kidd Gilchrist, and Chandler Parsons. 2 packs left. Doug McDermott, Lauri Markkanen, rated rookie. A Wilt Chamberlain Retro Series. Seth Curry and Karl Anthony Towns. Finally, our last pack, 2017-18 Donruss Optic. Jonathan Simmons. A Justin Jackson rated rookie. All clear for takeoff, Blake Griffin. And that definitely looks like Vader's helmet. I'm not just imagining that. That is for real. Jaylen Brown and DeAndre Jordan. So, not a bad haul. You know, less than $40 for the box. And came away with the Damari Carroll numbered card here. Well, maybe. There we go. Damari Carroll. That one numbered to 193. Man, not having a lot of luck with that. Got the Frank Ntilikina Prism Auto. That's pretty cool. Looking shockingly like Arsenio Hall there for some reason. And then also Jeremy Lamb Prism. Also, this one numbered to 155 for whatever reason. Don't understand the numbering reasons behind those, but that's pretty cool. A decent set of base cards for someone who, likes myself, likes to build sets. That's a good start. Overall, like I said, less than $40. I'm very happy with this product. I just love the feel and look of Optic. So overall, pretty happy with this purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, thanks for watching.